Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a review and wear test of the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. Now I've been using this for the past like 2 weeks, so I have a pretty good understanding of what it can and can't do for your skin. So let's just get right into it because you guys know I don't like long intros. This tinted moisturizer comes in 10 shades and I have the shade Cream. It has an SPF of 30, it's supposed to provide 12 hours of hydration, reduce the look of imperfections such as redness and pores, and it's supposed to impart a natural luminous finish. I'm gonna go straight in with the tinted moisturizer. And for this, I use about like maybe this much. It has a very moussey texture, so I actually find that the best way to apply this is with your hands. And yeah, I think that was a little bit too much. I can probably put some of this on this side of my face. Now I'm just gonna go in and rub it into my skin like I would a moisturizer. That's what I love about this. It's so fast and so quick and so easy. But I did notice that this red's a little bit orange like all of them do when I was swatching them in store. So I guess just keep that in mind if you're looking to purchase this online. It's gonna be a little bit orange. Although I think once it's rubbed in, it's fine. But actually in person, it is a little bit darker than my neck. So I've just applied one layer, and one layer will give you a very light coverage. My pores still look the same. They're not hidden at all. In my experience with this, you can build it up to a medium, but if you have like really dark circles or a lot of hyperpigmentation, I don't think you would be happy with this. I think this would be more for someone who just needs a little bit of coverage and wants a very natural finish. I'm just gonna apply some concealer because I feel like I have a little bit of circles under my eyes, dark circles. Actually, let me just finish the rest of my makeup off camera. Hey guys, the rest of my makeup is on. I just did my usual powder, blush, some contour, some highlight, lipstick, and I did notice that definitely setting with a powder is necessary because it was a little bit sticky. I guess I have been wearing my hair up a lot this week, so I didn't realize that my hair kind of stuck to my face before I powdered. But as far as how my skin looks, it honestly looks really good. It looks very like even, very skin-like, very fresh. My pores are still visible, so it did nothing for my pores, but it was able to reduce the appearance of some hyperpigmentation. I do have a few dry patches around my face, especially around my nose, but I can't see them at all. Maybe because this is like, you know, moisturizer, so it kind of moisturized those areas. So I'm really happy about that. And overall, it just feels really comfortable. It doesn't feel weightless. I can definitely feel something on my skin. It feels like a night cream, like a thick night cream. I would still say that it is quite comfortable. So it is now 9:39 a.m. in the morning. I will check back in with you guys at around, when does the sun set? Like 5:30? I'll check back in with you guys at around 4 or 4:30. Guys, so it's 4:19, so it's been just under 7 hours, but my makeup still looks amazing. Obviously, I'm a little bit dewier now than I was earlier in the day, but this is a natural luminous finish tinted moisturizer, so I expected that. But for me, this is an easy 8 out of 10 because it does everything that I want it to do. It gave me a little bit of coverage, but it still looks very natural. It's very comfortable. It hasn't accentuated any of the dry patches around my face, and if you have dehydrated skin, that tends to happen when you wear foundation. As the day goes on, it kind of dries, and then for me, especially around my nose, starts to look really dry. But that hasn't happened, and my skin just feels like very moisturized. The reason that I give it an 8 out of 10 is because 1, I wish it had a better shade range. It only has 10 shades. And 2, I wish they didn't all lean so orange. It isn't, you know, that noticeable on camera, but in person, it's pretty orange. And I would say it's a little bit noticeable, especially if I'm wearing like a low-cut top. So yeah, I just wish it had a better shade range. I think this would be a good product for anyone with dry skin or normal skin, combination skin even, or, you know, even oily skin if you like that dewy look. But if you don't like the dewy look, then it might be a little bit too heavy for oily skin. But like I always say in all of my reviews, if you still want to try it out for yourself, then I encourage you to, because products will work differently for everyone. But yeah, that's it guys. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below and I will try to reply as fast as I can. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to me if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one.